this video, we're going to be talking about how to return item to AutoZone without receipt. So let's just get straight into the video. To return an item to AutoZone without a receipt, bring the item or original packaging and a valid ID to any store within 90 days for a potential exchange or store credit. Staff can often look up purchases using your phone number, rewards account, or credit card, or by reprinting the receipt. A US or Canadian driver's license is required. State ID is also required if you're on the military. Military ID is required, or passport is required to process the return. Any of these documents will work, so you can bring any one to it. If you used an AutoZone rewards account, they can locate the transaction. Using the same credit card for lookup is also possible. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.